Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone has a working camera and internet. Open Google Play or the App Store, search for Google Authenticator, and install it now. Once installed, launch the app and accept any basic permissions. This lets the app scan QR codes. Make sure you stay logged into the account you want to protect on your computer or another device, because the next steps link that account to the app immediately. You now go to the service's security settings on your computer or phone and pick two-factor authentication, then choose the Authenticator app option. The site will display a QR code or a manual key. Use the app Scan a QR code function or tap Enter a setup key if needed. Once the app reads the QR code, it immediately creates a rotating 6-digit code. Keep both devices steady while scanning, and copy any backup codes the site provides. You finish by entering the 6-digit code the app shows into the website's verification field. This confirms the link. Once verified, save the provided backup or recovery codes in a secure place, password manager or printed safe, because they let you regain access if you lose your phone. Test logging out and back in to confirm 2FA works. If something goes wrong, use a recovery code or the service's account recovery. If the app won't scan, enter the manual key instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.